Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's start the Hermit today. Let tarot speak to us. Alright, let's picture this. A lone figure stands on top of a wind-carved, snowy mountain. He's an elder in a grey robe, face partially shadowed by a hood. His beard is long and white, and his posture quiet but strong. In his right hand, he lifts a golden lantern. Inside, a glowing six-pointed star burns softly. In his left, he leans on a well-worn staff. The night is dark and silent, but the small golden light guides the way. He doesn't run from the world. He steps back from it, to listen, to reflect, to understand. This is the major arcana number 9, the Hermit, the seeker of inner truth, the keeper of quiet wisdom. He invites us into the secret stillness where insight lives. Now let's zoom in on his world. That glowing six-pointed star is the seal of Solomon, the symbol of divine wisdom and spiritual guidance. It doesn't flood the path with light. It brights just a few steps at a time. This teaches us wisdom unfolds slowly, one step, one moment, one breath at a time. The staff is simple, golden, worn smooth by years of use. The staff symbolizes inner strength and lived experience, something you can lean on. In some versions, it's even wrapped with a serpent, the ancient healing symbol of Asclepius, showing the hermit's power to restore from within. That long grey cloak hides most of his body. No bright colors, no ornament, just humility, introspection, and protection from distraction. It's a reminder, not all journeys are loud or visible. He stands at the summit, alone, above the noise. The mountains symbolize hard-won spiritual growth, and the snow, cold, quiet, and clear. It reflects both isolation and purity. To reach the top, he has faced solitude, effort, maybe even loneliness, but now he can see with clarity. Behind him, the sky is deep and dark. This isn't fear, it's mystery, the unknown. And the Hermit shows us how to walk into it with light in hand. In its upright position, when the lantern's lit, the Hermit asks us to turn inward. Time to pull back from the noise. Listen to your inner voice. It's wiser than you think. Seek solitude, not to escape, but to reconnect. It may also signal a mentor figure, someone with the quiet presence of wisdom, or perhaps you are the mentor now. He can also point to spiritual studies, journaling, meditation, or long-term reflection. Distance in a relationship, not coldness, but space for growth. The slow awakening of personal truth. When the Hermit shows up reversed, his wisdom turns into warning. Isolation, not solitude. You may be cutting off too much. Mental fog, you are searching but going in circles. Ignoring advice or refusing to ask for help. Watch out for false guides, people who sell shortcuts but don't walk the path. Also, you may feel lost, unsure of your next step, or unwilling to face truth. Escaping reality instead of walking through it. Becoming impatient in your growth journey. Wanting quick results instead of deep roots. Or simply lacking the spiritual or emotional bandwidth to keep going. So, how can we walk with the Hermit this week? Digital sunset. One night, turn off all screens after dark. Let silence speak. Solo macro adventure. Take a quiet walk. No music, no phone. Let thoughts rise and fall. Light a candle and ask one question, then write. No judgment. Let the answer drift in from the silence. The Hermit teaches us solitude isn't punishment. It's a secret recharge. You are not lost, you are deepening. Step away so you can step up. Alright, ready to follow that quiet light within? That's today, the Hermit. In our next video, we will meet the Wheel of Fortune, a powerful reminder that nothing stays the same and destiny is always turning. If this message resonates, drop a heart in the comments and hit like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, hold the lantern light, trust your own stillness, and let tarot speak to you.